Hello, my name is Daniel Murdock, and I'm a proud representative of my family's company, Murdock Superstores. We're not your average Ford and Ram car dealership. We're a fully certified professional Ford and Ram commercial truck and van center. Our dedicated sales professionals are the backbone to our success. Everything from fully upfitted Ford and Ram vans to Ram and Ford utility trucks to our crane-mounted mechanical trucks. Murdock Superstores DNA is commercial trucks. Come join our Ford and Ram commercial family today. Murdock Superstore's foundation is built upon developing, engineering, and driving business solutions nationwide. Thank you, guys.